Hi, it's Mario here again. Just to recap, 14 days ago today actually, I had my mitral valve repaired, and I've done all the videos leading up to it, and I'm home. It's been 5 days since I've gotten home. Today is the 23rd of October 2013. How do I feel? Overall, I see improvement every day. I'm able to walk fairly good distances. I would say about a kilometre a session, and I do at least 2 to 3 per day. So that's not too bad. As far as pain's concerned, it's manageable. The reality is that the only painkillers, and I don't do it even every day, is 2 Panadols at night, which, paracetamol, so it's not a heavy painkiller, but just enough to take the edge off. I do, as I said, my walks and my breathing exercises. I'm thinking that within about a week or two I should be close enough to, as normal as I am going to get. I probably won't have the energy that I had prior to the problem with my mitral valve, but I'm hoping that within 3 to 6 months, I'll be back 100%. So I'm still taking quite a number of drugs, heart stabilizers, ACE inhibitors, warfarin to thin the blood, aspirin as well to thin the blood, and so forth. Every 4 days I'm having a blood check to check my INR, which is really, optimum level is anywhere between 2 to 3. I want to keep it, but 3.5 I'm told is acceptable as well. Anything to watch for? Mentally, I'm pretty good. I'm just looking forward to getting better and better day by day. I haven't really had any mood swings or anything like that, which they said could be expected. So I did that only in the first few days, maybe 3-4 days post-surgery, but that was about it while I was still in hospital. And I don't find that too unreasonable. My wound is healing fairly well. Actually, I might show you what it now looks like. There you go. So you can see that's healing fairly well, and these things you see at the bottom here are where all the drains and wires and so forth were. So all good so far. I think I may have mentioned in the last video, I have signed up here at in Sydney, Australia. We have a program in hospitals for all those that have had some cardiac procedures to attend hospital for physio sessions and dietary controls and so forth. These are all free sessions, which is terrific. So I'll be doing that. I'll be starting that in about 2 weeks' time. That's about it. Probably won't do a video for at least another 2 to 3 weeks, but that's the progress so far. Talk to you later.